So now we will start with a flip-flop. So what is a flip-flop? A flip-flop is a memory element which is capable of storing one bit of information, and it is used in a clock sequential circuit. So what? The flip-flop is a memory element which is capable of storing a one bit of information. क्या करता है फ्लिप फ्लॉप? वन बिट का इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करता है एंड इट इज यूज इन अ क्लॉक सिक्वेंशियल सर्किट. A flip flop has a two output, one for normal state for normal value and another for a complementary value of the bit stored in it. मतलब हम लोग उसके अंदर एक ही बिट स्टोर करते हैं. And now can see that the another point. Flip-flop are the basic piece of sequential logic. They effectively store a single binary digit of a state. Means क्या? Single bit को store करता है. That can be a 0, that can be a 1. There are variety of flip-flop available that differ on how that state is manipulated. There is a variety of flip-flop are available. Since a flip-flop store a binary digit, it must define by a two state. That can be a, we can call as a bistable state. When it's put in a specific state, it will stay in that state until something cause it to change to their other state. वो स्टेट में तब तक रहेगा जब तक उसे नेक्स्ट स्टेट नहीं मिलेगा. और फ्लिप फ्लॉप के बहुत सारे टाइप है. वो सिंगल बिट डेटा स्टोर करता है, उसके अंदर नॉर्मल वैल्यू रहती है और कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वैल्यू रहती है. Now we can see about the latches. What is the latches? In the flip flop and in the latches we have some different things. Latch is a type of a temporary storage device which has a two stable state. जैसे आपके फ्लिप फ्लॉप में टू स्टेट से एक नॉर्मल स्टेट एंड एक कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड स्टेट, उसी तरह लैचेस वी हैव अ टू स्टेट दैट इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड स्टेट एंड अ नॉर्मल स्टेट. Latch does not have a clock signal where the flip flop have a clock signal. Latch में clock signal नहीं होता. A latch has an enable input. As long as it is active, the latch output will keep changing according to the changes in its input. In other words, it is called as a trigger. जब हम लोग लैच लगाएंगे तो वो कीप चेंजिंग रहेगा. जब भी हम लोग फ्लिप फ्लॉप करेंगे तो वो कीप चेंजिंग नहीं होगा. फ्लिप फ्लॉप करेंगे तो एक प्रेजेंट स्टेट होगा और एक प्रीवियस स्टेट होता है. जब तक प्रीवियस स्टेट स्पेसिफिक स्टेट एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता तब तक वो नेक्स्ट स्टेट के पास जाएगा नहीं. लेकिन लैचेस में लैच अगर लगाया तो आउटपुट विल बी कीप चेंजिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर इनपुट कैसे चेंज हो रहा है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रिगर्ड फ्लिप फ्लॉप ऑल्सो. So what is it is a temporary storage. It does not have a clock signal. It have a enable it input and it can be active until the output will be changes and the input will be keep changing because the input is dependent upon the output. So in other words, it is called as a triggered flip flop. So we can see that the synchronous sequential circuit flip flop, how we can state it as a memory. First you are giving the output input. Then you can assign the clock pulses. You can see there is a clock pulses and last you will generate the output. We can see that here the flip-flop is connected. So that is totally dependent upon the clock. The flip-flop receiver their input from the combinational circuit. Okay, the flip-flop receiver their input from the combination circuit and also from clock signal with pulses that occur at a fixed interval of a time as shown in the timing diagram. This is a diagram. ये है लो एज, ये है हाई एज. ओके, ये टाइमिंग डायग्राम है क्लॉक पल्स का. हमने क्या किया, इनपुट लिया कॉम्बिनेशनल से, उसके बाद क्लॉक असाइन किया. क्लॉक असाइन करने के बाद वो फ्लिप फ्लॉप में चला गया. आफ्टर द फ्लिप फ्लॉप इनपुट चला गया, देन इट विल बी अगेन गो टू द कॉम्बिनेशन सर्किट एंड देन यू विल गेट अ output. After the specific interval of a time, you will get a output. So this is a flip flop. The another thing you can see here, I will tell you a flip-flop has a two output, one for normal value and other for complemented value of the bit stored in it. A flip-flop can maintain a binary state identically as long as power delivered to the circuit. Okay. A flip-flop is also known as a bistable multi-vibrator. क्या कहते हैं उसे? एक होता है उसका normal output, मतलब ये जो कह रहा है, ये जो है this is your normal output and this is your complemented output. ये क्या है फ्लिप फ्लॉप का? This is a normal output and this is a complemented output. The flip-flop are different types depending on how their input and the clock pulses cause a transition between a two state. फ्लिप-फ्लॉप के बहुत सारे टाइप्स है कि उसके चेंजेस कैसे होते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. सो फर्स्ट इज योर 1 bit memory cell symbol application. 1 bit memory cell is called as a basic bistable element. Bistable means इसके दो है, एक है उसका नॉर्मल वैल्यू और एक है उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वैल्यू. Now you can see that here is a NOT gate are connected. Okay, so that means here is your complemented or here is your normal value. It has a two cross coupled inverter, two output Q and Q bar और इनपुट क्या है A और B. मतलब अगर मैंने आउटपुट A को दिया तो उसका इनपुट A को दिया तो आउटपुट मुझे दिखेगा Q बार में और B को दिया तो आउटपुट दिखेगा मुझे Q में. Okay, so two outputs Q and Q bar, it is called as a bistable. As a basic bistable element circuit has two stable state, logic 0 and logic 1. So now you can see that the गेट 1 मतलब ये आपका गेट 1 है. सपोज गेट 1 का जो आपका आउटपुट है वो 1 रहेगा. क्या रहेगा अगर गेट, तो आपका assume the output of a gate 1, this is your gate 1, gate this is gate 1 and this is gate 2. If Q equals to 1 and Q bar equals to 0. Okay, 1 minute. Here you can see that there is a 2 gate. अगर आपकी A की वैल्यू 0 है तो Q बार में उसकी वैल्यू क्या रहेगी 1, और अगर आपकी B की वैल्यू 1 है तो इसकी Q की वैल्यू क्या रहेगी 1. So we can see that the output of the circuit Q and Q bar will always be complementary. That means if Q is equals to 0 then Q bar equals to 1 and vice versa. They will never be equal to Q equals to Q bar equals to 0 or 1 is an invalid state. The circuit has two stable states. One of them correspond to the Q equals to 1 and Q bar equals to 0. It is called as a one state or a state. Whereas the other state correspond to the Q equals to 0 and Q bar equals to 1. It is called as a reset state. Okay. मतलब complemented form मतलब अगर Q equals to 0 then Q bar equals to 1. Okay, and if the Q bar equals to 1 then the Q equals to 0. ये reset रहेगा. Q equals to 1 और Q bar होगा तो set state, and Q equals to 0 and Q bar equals to 1 then it is a reset state. If the circuit is in the reset state then the Q equals to 0, Q bar equals to 1, then it will continue to be in the reset state, and if it is in the set state the Q equals to 1 and Q bar equals to 0, then it will continue remain the set state. This property of the circuit shows that it can store a 1-bit digital information at a time. So that's why it is called as a 1-bit memory cell. So that's why it is called as a 1-bit memory cell. Your next is your application of flip-flop. So where we can use a flip-flop, the application of the flip-flop circuit mainly involves the bounce elimination of a switch, data storage, data transfer, latch, register, counter, frequency division, memory, etc. Some of them are discussed below like register, RAM, counter, data transfer, memory element are the application of the flip-flop. So next is your what are the types of flip-flop. So there are the different type of flip-flop. First is your lever triggered flip-flop. In the lever triggered we have a high lever triggering and low lever triggering. For edge triggered flip-flop we have a positive edge triggering and negative edge triggering. Next, the lever triggered flip-flop. What are the level triggered flip-flop? The latch or flip-flop circuit which responds to change in their input only if their enable input is held an active level, which maybe can be a high or can be a low. So that's why we can call as a level trigger latches or a flip-flop. What is a level trigger flip-flop? In the previous we can see that the high level triggered and low level triggered. Level triggered flip-flop are generally called as a latches. It gets triggered at the level of the clock pulse. This has a disadvantages because it generates race around condition. The condition in which the output repeatedly from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 during the entire time period. So we use an edge triggered flip-flop to overcome this race condition. Okay. So first is your high level triggering. The triggers on a high clock, you can see that there is one clock Q and Q bar. When a flip-flop required to respond at a high state, it is called as a high triggered method. It is mainly identified from the straight lead from the clock input. Take a look at a symbolic representation shown in the below. This is a clock. So clock से वो high हो रहा है. अगर high state है, then it is called as a high triggering method. Next is your low level. अगर state low है, then it is called as a low level triggering method. Okay. It is mainly identified from the clock input lead along with the low state indicator bubble. अब आप लोग प्रीवियस में देखोगे हाई लेवल में यहाँ पे कोई भी बबल नहीं दिया है क्लॉक में, ठीक है. अगर हाई होगा तो यू हैव टू डिफाइन लाइक दैट कि आपको जो स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर ट्रिगर वो इस तरह से दिखानी है. एंड आफ्टर दैट स्क्वायर वेव एंड देन द लो फॉर लो ट्रिगरिंग यू हैव टू ऐड द बबल क्लॉक इनपुट के साइड में इंडिकेटर बाय द बबल. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट इज अ लो लेवल ट्रिगरिंग. ओके. सो लो स्टेट होगा तो लो लेवल और हाई स्टेट होगा तो हाई लेवल ट्रिगरिंग. So next is your edge triggered. What is edge triggered? In the edge triggered flip-flop, changes state either at the positive edge or at the negative edge. मतलब rising मतलब your positive edge and leading मतलब fall हो रहा है, that is a negative edge. Okay? Positive edge मतलब जो rise हो रहा है और negative edge मतलब जो fall हो रहा है of the clock pulse on the control input. For example, if the circuit is positive edge trigger, it will take input at exactly the time in which the clock signal goes from low to high. Similarly, input is taken at the exactly the time in which clock signal goes from high to low in negative edge trigger. अगर वो low to high जा रहा है तो positive और high to low जा रहा है तो negative. But keep in mind, after the input, it can be processed in all the time till the next input is taken. So the three basic type of flip-flop are used, that is the SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop and D flip-flop. Okay, so that is your edge triggered flip-flop. The flip-flop which change their output only corresponding to their rising and falling edge of the clock input, it is called as a edge triggered flip-flop. These flip-flop are edge sensitive or edge trigger rather than not level trigger. The rectangular signal applied to the clock input of a flip-flop, if the same signal is applied as the clock signal to an edge triggered flip-flop, then its output will be changed only at either rising or at negative edge of the clock. Okay, so this is your edge triggered flip-flop. In the edge trigger, we have a positive edge trigger. When a flip-flop is required low to high, मतलब low to high जा रहा है transition, then the positive edge triggering method is used. It means identify from the ये जो triangle निकाला है ना, there is your clock. अगर low to high जा रहा है तो positive edge triggering, and if the high to low जा रहा है, then it is a negative edge triggering. You can see here, low to high जा रहा है तो your positive edge triggering, and high to low जा रहा है तो your negative edge triggering. There is a, you can see that the symbolic representation of the both the triggers. This is a positive edge triggering and negative edge triggering. Now we will see the different types of flip-flops in the next video.